start turning brown.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. Today I am sharing my morning routine with you guys, and I start off every morning with a bunch of water and a probiotic to get things going. I've been really into my French press lately. I love the beautiful aesthetic of it, but it also works amazing and makes a great cup of coffee. My favorite ratio is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of coffee and then about 16 ounces of hot water. You don't want to use boiling water. It'll make the coffee too acidic and bitter tasting. Then I let it steep for 4 minutes. While it's steeping, I usually do the dishes. I've gotten into this bad habit of leaving the kitchen a little too messy before I go to bed, but at the same time, it gives me something to do while my coffee brews. So I'll do the dishes, unload the dishwasher, and kind of wipe down the counters and make the kitchen all nice, and it kind of feels rewarding to then have my cup of coffee. By the time the coffee has been done brewing, I am finished the kitchen and it's time to finish up. So I just slowly press the coffee all the way down to the bottom. You'll have a really nice rich brew. And if you guys are interested in this French press, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. It is such a great deal. Plus it's so beautiful. It comes with a wooden spoon as well if you're going to be doing larger pours, and it has a really, really great milk frother. It's much better than the one that comes on my actual coffee machine. This thing is so high powered. It can froth anything basically. I love it for hot chocolate or making matcha. It's just a really good frother. So I am doing some unsweetened almond milk, and this, you guys, you're gonna have to try this. So I put stevia in my black coffee and then add in the almond milk, a little fat-free whipped cream, and then you do some sugar-free maple syrup and some cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice and a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. Oh my goodness, it is the best. Tag me on Instagram at Haley Cairo if you guys try this, because you will be obsessed. It's seriously so delicious. I keep this caddy at my dining room table, so I have a little makeshift office everywhere, and I do my morning pages. It's just free flow journaling, whatever I'm thinking, feeling, need to do, want to write, I just go. There's no rules, and I love that. It's been really therapeutic. And then I kind of do this depending on the day, what order I do this in, but I will check my planner, and I have a planner. My Erin Condren planner is for the house and family stuff, things for me and Kyle to do, due dates, reminders, things like that. And then I'll look at my work planner and just kind of make sure everything is synced up so I know kind of the trajectory for the day. I'll look over my budget planner sometimes. It really just depends. And then because I am still in my nutrition certification right now, I will take about 45 minutes to an hour to read my textbook, go over my notes, study. Sometimes I'm taking a test. It's been really good to just do this in the morning so that it gets done first thing in the day. And it's a lot of work, so I'm trying my best to get through it as quickly as possible, but also do well on it because I've got a lot that I'm juggling right now. And I get up a little bit earlier in the fall than I do in the summertime, so that way I can really make time for getting everything done, just as I would if I was a normal student. And I think just prioritizing sleep and recovery and making sure that I'm getting at least 8 to 9 hours a night really helps me just have a better, more function and productive day. I go over my calendar, my due dates for work. I try to keep everything really organized. I'll have a video about that soon, how I stay productive and have my calendars and stuff. And then I also have my fitness journal, which is where I did do a video on this. I'll link it down below, but I just go over my goals for training, nutrition, and mindset for the month. And I do this weekly. And then I also have trackers for different health related things. The sleep is the most important one for me, so I make sure that I'm keeping track of that. And then I also do my daily devotional or Bible reading plan for September. I'll link some really great references down and also where I got my Bible. I really do enjoy doing the Bible journaling sometimes as well. Then I just make sure that I am staying on track with my September to-do list. This just helps me plan out my days accordingly, making sure I'm moving the needle in some of my bigger goals, whether that's financially or with things that me and Kyle have planned out. And then I will take some time and write out my program for the day for training. So I could either be training at home or actually going to the gym. If I go to the gym, my warm-up usually consists of a walk or a run, because I'll just walk or run there. And then I write out all my stuff in a journal. It just helps me keep track of my lifts and how I'm doing. And I find it really beneficial to go back and see how I've progressed. And then before I put on my gym clothes, I make my little pre-workout drink and my BCAAs and just kind of put some music on, get my head right, get motivated. Everything is just a decision, right? There's no external motivation. It's all about our choices and just being disciplined. So getting this in is very important for not only my physical health, but also my mental health. I feel so much better after getting my training in. It just really makes my day so much better. And then after I shower, I will do a very simple skincare routine. I will be sharing that with you guys in a video very soon as well. And I've noticed that I'm much more productive during the day because I work from home, that I get ready. Even though I don't have to, it just makes me feel more put together, more official, and I just end up being productive. Maybe it's placebo effect, I don't know, but I feel like when you feel better about yourself, you do better, So it's full circle, and I try my best to do this. It doesn't happen every day because sometimes I just kind of am on autopilot, but taking a little extra time for yourself can be really beneficial. And then once I am done getting ready, I will move into the kitchen and make a breakfast. I start transitioning out of my cold breakfasts into much more comforting warm breakfasts. And right now I'm loving this veggie scramble and toast with jam. It's just been really nice. And then as it gets colder, I usually move into oatmeal. I also do some meal prep. Usually in the morning, I'll make protein muffins or little energy bites. Just something that I can snack on throughout the week. If you guys want this recipe, it will be on my Instagram at Haley Cairo. And then I get into work. So I like to set the mood for work. I'll put on some jazz music. I really like bossa nova or acoustic guitar. I'll light a candle, and it just is a trigger for my brain to be okay, it's time to work. It's time to focus. Put the phone away. No Facebook, and I just get going. So that is my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you want to see more routines. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along on social. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown.